Okay, today I'm going to remove this radio system here, stereo, and install the aftermarket Xtrons system. First thing we need to do is remove these two covers here. Just got a very small flathead screwdriver in the side here. Be very gentle. Get that in there and that will pop out. Same on the other side. Very gentle, we don't want to scratch the dash. There we go. That gives you access to 4 screws here to take out. And we have to remove this part here as well. First thing we do is pop out around the gear stick, flip that up, and just leave that there. This piece here is all one piece. I found the best way to do it is just grab it, hold it in the corner here, just give it a pull, and that will come up, and gently work your way up here. A little bit on each side, and one more. Out we come. And there's 2 screws down here. Now these are Torx screws. I've got like a star head on them. This is a T20 bit. Take these out. Okay, 4 screws, put them in there, 2 down the bottom here. Okay, and we simply just pop this out. Okay, and there's wiring harness behind each switch here. There's just a bit of a button underneath to push up and they will pull straight out, like so. There are more wires here connected. I'm just going to leave them there and push that to the side. 4 screws here, same size. Holding the radio in. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, that should slide straight out, like so. Back here, got the aerial, unpop that. I've got a wiring harness here. Just get that out. There's a little clip at the back on the bottom of the harness, and out that comes. Harness has got like a lever system. Clip on the back, push it in, it comes out. Right, now we've got the Xtrons unit here. So this harness here connects directly into that, like so, all the way around, push that in, and clip that down, and that's in. Now we've got a couple of USB ports here. Slide them through there. What we'll do is we'll put them into the ashtray here. We'll slide this little box out and leave it out. Just on the top of the ashtray, we'll push them down through. Into there. That's it. So connect USBs to that for music or whatever, videos, and just store them in the ashtray. Right, now we'll just connect the aerial. Awkward. Push that in. Now, harness. Just going to push all these wires down inside here, out of the way. So they're all just hanging down in underneath. Now we've got our GPS antenna. Poke that through the back. Leave that down in there. And slide that in. Some water through here. Okay, that unit's in there now. Just a matter of putting the screws back in. Right, done there. Now we'll put this cover back on. Plug these in first. That's it. Goes under there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, same deal. Screws. Now we'll just push this cover back in, put that in, work your way around, that's it, back on, same with this, done. So, these two on. Right, keys in and see if we can see what we got. And in here we've got our USB. Plug a USB into that, music, videos, USB in the front. There we go.